Hi guys, Robin here with WTI, and two awesome things, dinosaurs and diggers. Let's check it out. Working with kids, I'm always on the lookout for books that are not only educational, also fun. So this one, it ticks those boxes. Not only does it teach them counting, but also the actual names of dinosaurs written out as they're spelt and also phonetically. I think it is absolutely amazing, and I'd never seen a book like this before. I love how sturdy the pages are, so for those little hands that flick through them, they do have something to grip onto and don't have to be too delicate as the pages won't rip. I love the style of this book too. They're kind of simple yet sophisticated little pictures with all the details you need and nothing more. I think it is absolutely a beautiful book, and I really want to get other ones in this collection as well. Once again, it is a fantastic book for teaching, but it's also fun. So I love it. I think any kid that loves dinosaurs will too. I think it's great, but that's just my point of view.